Here's our chicken, guys. Our chicken is sizzling down. We're gonna take it off the grill. Looks like it's done. So it's maybe time for us to go ahead and make that chicken sandwich. So let's get that chicken sandwich on the way. We are gonna take it off now. Okay, guys, we are gonna go ahead and take this off the grill. Oh, I almost burned my hand.
Careful.
There we go. Let's cut this out. Hi guys, here I have some
sesame buns.
This something about these buns is called Creole something. I think that's what the package say, Creole buns. I don't know if Creole is just the company or what, but I'm gonna go ahead and just toast them a little bit. Some fresh lettuce. I'm gonna go ahead and wash them for prep our sandwich. I believe we don't need a lot of lettuce. We're only gonna make like, how many sandwiches you gonna make? 2?
Yeah.
So I think this lettuce should be enough. This is a lot of lettuce. And these are the romaine lettuce we are using.
Dough.
I don't think we need any more. So that's it. I'm making a sandwich for myself. So yeah, this is my sandwich. Everything I'm doing here is for myself. This is me cooking in the kitchen my own sandwich. There we are. Some slices of tomato. I guess we're gonna go ahead and slice this out. Tomatoes, couple lettuce.
Not gonna chop up your lettuce, or
we're probably gonna serve our lettuce big. You don't like to bite in your lettuce? You like to hear that sound?
Yeah.
You bite the lettuce, you go. It's big like this. Do you like salt and pepper on your lettuce?
Salt and pepper?
You like salt and pepper on your lettuce? Okay, let's take this off of here. And this is done. Where's the cheese? The cheese should be on there. We are using some Wisconsin extra sharp shredded cheese. Wisconsin extra sharp cheddar. That's what we are using for this here recipe. These cheese are come stacked individually with the paper wrap. So you can take a piece of cheese just like that. And we're gonna go ahead and make our first chicken sandwich. Get that off. Separate it. Here we are, our grilled chicken. And put on some lettuce. How do you like your lettuce on it? Right here?
In the middle.
In the middle?
Yeah.
And where is the middle for you?
Can do X.
These are some fresh lettuce. Look at the fresh lettuce. Okay, do you like your tomato to be inside the onion, inside the lettuce? Where would you like a tomato to be? Would you like a tomato to be on top of your lettuce, on another lettuce on top, or you like your tomato to be between your chicken on your?
I'm not picky. Just put it in the sandwich.
So I think the best place to put it is to remove this.
But it'll be wet on.
Put it on the chicken. It doesn't matter if it's wet on the chicken. You eat your chicken anyway.
Because the lettuce is wet already. One. I think that's a nice slice right there.
It's a nice slice?
Yeah.
And then now you can put this on top. And then this goes on top again. There we go. And now
then you can like toast it.
You can go ahead and put your bread on. And you're going to flip it over. Because this is the top right here. Take a look at it. Does it look delicious?
And we can toast it.
You want to toast it again?
Yeah. So the cheese can melt a little bit.
It's going to squeeze it down.
Just a little bit.
It's going to squeeze it down too much. It's going to be all soft and small looking. Okay, guys, so Alexia says she wants her cheese to be melt.
Yeah.
So we're going to melt the cheese with the meat.
So we leave.
We said we want the cheese to melt. So
yeah, I think that's good.
there's some melting going on right here.
So
let's get our
other buns
thing here and let's pick them up. Here we go. Put it right here. And you want your lettuce and tomato. You want tomato to be on the cheese. And then your lettuce on top. You want to cut your lettuce?
Cut mine?
Yeah.
No, it's fine.
It's too much lettuce.
No, I like to eat it after.
Let me take this up. Put it on here. Well, I'm always getting the bottom of the lettuce over here. Some reason I got my lettuce, I have to end up turning it over. Okay, here we go. That's one down. One more to go. Okay, so let's pour our bread on the grill. Our bun on the grill. Move this melted cheese and turn this up. You want to put this back on or you want to stay it off?
I think the cheese melted, so just wait on the buns real quick.
Okie dokie. Sounds good to me. I'll take another shot. So good. Okay guys, it's time for us to check out our 2 chicken, what do you call it? Chicken sandwiches. So, let's try it. Here we are. Should we add some mayonnaise to it?
Mayonnaise or ketchup, you know, you can add those things.
You know what? Let me try the mayonnaise.
We've got the mayo and we got the ketchup.
Guys,
it's time for action.
We're gonna skip this part right here. But somehow Alexia want the mayo. So let's go ahead and put
Not everyone likes mayo, but I like it. So
do you want it on both sides of the bread or just one side? One side should be fine, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Spread this all over.
Then you can do some drops of ketchup on the meat or something.
You want ketchup on this too?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow.
Mayo and ketchup.
You're going deep for everything. Okay, here's the ketchup.
Triangle.
Triangle?
That's what it was.
Okay, let's add this burger top of your meat. Should I put a little bit on that?
Yeah.
Okay, since ketchup isn't on the menu, might as well, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then put it on back. Jerk chicken. You know that's jerk chicken, right?
Yeah.
Exactly. So it's jerk chicken sandwich. Let's try the jerk chicken sandwich, guys, and see what it's all about. Take a look. Oh yeah, I like it. Jerk chicken sandwich. 2021, first bite.
How is it?
How did I even make that?
Describe the flavor.
Dad, how did you even make
Sweet,
that?
spicy, savory. What is it?
All the above.
All of the what?
All of the above. It's juicy. The jerk sauce is in that chicken.
What?
The lettuce. It's all good.
Do you like mustard in your sandwich?
No. But the mayo and the ketchup is fine.
Okay.
Some huge bite, guys. Chicken. Jerk chicken sandwich.
Let me go eat mine.
Okay guys, check out how our jerk chicken breast patties is all looking good, juicy, ready to go, and we're about
Guys,
to
look at our
eat
sandwiches.
some patties. So
we got
stick around
here.
and make sure you like, share, and subscribe.
Check it out. Isn't it nice? Can't wait to take a bite. I think I want this one.
Which one?
This one.
One in the front?
Yep.
How about when I finish both of them, you can try the next one. Second one I'm gonna make. I'll make a third one for you.
How about I eat the first and second one? Okay. And the third one.
Okay, okay. How about we share them? One each.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, guys. I hope you guys enjoy the show. Also, I'm recommend you guys to check out my other videos. There's a lot of other videos on there. We got the Rasta pasta. We got the curry oxtail, red snappers, a whole lot of good food on the channel. Some video that you may have seen before. Check out the other videos.